Hello friends, you are welcome back to our YouTube channel. Learn Excel with Abdul Hakim.
Hi friends, you are welcome back to today's class. My name is Abdul Hakim. Today, we'll be learning how to use date and date functions in Excel. The first function we are going to look at is date function itself. We're going to look at date functions in Excel. Date functions is used to create a valid date from the set of values supplied to Excel. And this you supply the year, the month, and date. From these three information, Excel will extract the date and give you a valid date. The syntax for this is equals to date. Then you open the bracket. You supply the year, you supply the month, and you supply a date. So in this example, here we have year to be 2021 equals to date. Year first, comma. Then you have month, comma. You have the so you have your date to be 15/6/2021. So same thing can be applied to the next set that we have. Press the Ctrl D to copy down the formula. Then you press Ctrl D to copy down the formula too. So this is how to use date function in Excel. Also, from this date now, we want to extract the year, the month, and day. So in this case, we're going to use year formula, month formula, and day formula. So equals to year, open the bracket, you select the serial number, which is date. That's 2021. Then we have equals to month, select the serial number, and the last one we have the day. Day, open the bracket. So you see that Excel has extract year, the month, and the date. So the same thing is applicable to the other two. Control D, come down, Control D. So this is how to use date function in Excel. Thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe to the channel and click like on the video.